देव बरें दीस दिव सगळ्यांकू आज बरें दूख भोगत आमकां की आज एक ल्हानशें स्पीच चोयलां आमी की अरविंद केजरीवालान डेल्लीसून दिलो आहा तें. It is really sad to know that we are fighting for Old Goa heritage. This movement was started by Save Old Goa Heritage. Those residents, those committee, those youths have started it. Them comments ko lo rahe hain. But today Arvind Kejriwal sitting in Delhi is saying, "Amge apage ek leader who is fighting for the Old Goa heritage, who is sitting for hunger strike." My only question is why is this strike, why is this fight being politicized? Why is this politics going on? आम एक नीज गोंयकार म्हूण झगडटाय तेश कोन एक नीज गोंयकार म्हूण झगडपा जायना. काल देखून आम ओल्ड गोवा गेलें ते दूख भोगत आमकां. अमित, I feel Advocate Amit could sit with the Save Old Goa heritage people over there rather than putting a separate tent and sitting in that. And in his every interview, all the leaders who come, they don't sit with the Save Old Goa this people, but they sit in their tents over there. And they have always given an interview saying that Amge Apa leader. Why this thing is coming up? Eka lagon amge lok magi heart sota. This movement was started with Save Old Goa Heritage Committee. Those resident people. There's an architect also who's fighting in that. He also has been given a video yesterday. But why? I don't understand. Arvind Kejriwal today sitting in Delhi is giving an all speech saying that Amge leader think hunger strike bosona and he's fighting his full this out. Whatever he's saying, accusing everyone in Goa. My question is, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, if you are so bothered about things, I think there's the same thing happening in Delhi. The Little Flower. Again, the church has been vandalized. Where are you? Why are you not speaking on that? You are in Delhi. The church is in Delhi. Why are you not speaking on that? I thought you also would take a hunger strike over there, standing by those people over there. But you sitting over there is talking about Goa. And that too you're saying, our AAP leader is making it sure to fight it out. Stop saying that. Everyone over here is for Nees Goinkar. Ek Nees Goinkar mun sogle upzalo hai for Old Goa. And let us not forget, the journey those people had started. From day one they have been fighting. In fact, we have also told, Sogle Loka, mujhe Save Old Goa Heritage Saida Committee hai. With those people, with those residents, we need to stand by. Stop playing this dirty politics. And requesting them also. I think Mr. Amit, Advocate Amit, that you're sitting over there, I think we also have not forgotten what you had done at IT Park agitation. People must have forgotten, but you have not forgotten. But let's not speak on that. I would request you to sit with the Old Goa Heritage Committee over there who's sitting for the strike. Join with them rather than be sitting separate and where all your AAP leaders are coming and sitting with you. Let's not politicize it. Let's not play this dirty politics. You need to come under one banner with them. And requesting Arvind Kejriwal, stop giving the speeches from Delhi. Pol Delhi ahate pol sambad. Magi going sambad tu. It's easy to give a speech from there. The way you are saying that only our leaders, our AAP is saying that your AAP didn't started this. It is the Old Goa, Save Old Goa Heritage Committee that started it. Those residents, those youth started it. The priest has started it. It's not you who has started. Your leaders who have started it. So please don't play politics on this. And requesting you to stand by the Delhi church over there, Little Flower, rather than commenting on our issues over here. So stop this politics. तेशें कोन्न लोकांको मागोता सगळ्यान आपल्यागे आदार दिवचो थिंगा because it is our Goa, आमगे गोंय तें. We have to save and we are demanding that the government demolishes that site. There's an architecture who has even briefly made everyone understand what the TCP Babu Kavlekar was lying, what is the forgery done in that. He has very briefly and very nicely he has summarized the things in that. कि कित फोटो इलोले सरकारान केश कोन फोटो इलोले and TCP न केश कोन फोटो इलोले. After so many years they are saying that they have revoked the permission, but that's not all. The structure is already ready. And we all as Nis Goenka demand to demolish that structure. तेशें कोन हाल हेस्त लोकांन सगळ्यान थिंगा येवचें आपल्यागे आवाज उबारचो so that this government come to know that this is our Goa, this is our land, our place, and we stand by. We are not going to let this BJP government destroy us, destroy our lands, destroy our heritage. हाल आम कांय उरचना. देव बरें करूं.